might look like a simple mat, but it's actually one of the most useful tools on the bench. The M-Mobile anti-static soldering mat is made of heat-resistant silicon, capable of withstanding up to 500 degrees Celsius, so no accidental burns on your desk. It's also anti-static, so it helps protect sensitive electronics while you work. The real bonus, though, is the built-in magnets and compartments. Tiny screws and components that usually disappear into the carpet now stay exactly where you put them. It keeps your workspace neat, safe, and much more professional. Something so simple, it makes a surprisingly big difference in the day-to-day tinkering. The Handskit soldering kit is a good all-in-one starter set. It heats up fast, holds a rock-steady temperature, and uses digital controls so you can dial in exactly what you need. The iron itself is comfortable to hold, which matters if you're working for long sessions. The iron also comes with a few accessories, including tips, a tube of solder, and a mini stand. This means not only can you solder components in place, you can also remove them when you inevitably make a mistake. It's not as advanced as a dedicated station would be, but for beginners or as a backup, it's practical and affordable. Everything you need is in the box so you can get started straight away without buying any extras. The Astro AI True RMS multimeter is a big step up from the basics. It's designed to give you accurate readings even when the electricity isn't perfectly clean or consistent, which, let's be honest, is most DIY setups. It's sturdy, reliable, and comes with features like auto ranging, continuity testing, and a clear digital display. This makes it great for more advanced projects and for anyone who wants dependable results without spending hundreds on a top-end meter. For the price, it's excellent value, tough enough for everyday use and accurate enough that you can trust the numbers it's giving you. I highly recommend it. We all have one, and it's the most versatile tool on the planet. So as you would expect, it has all the functions you need to aid you in your fixing quest. Obvious uses are torch, camera, video camera, and apps. The Magnifier and Microscope Cozy app by Handstrom is a free Android app that transforms your smartphone's camera into a digital magnifying glass and microscope. It features continuous autofocus, pinch to zoom, a free screen function for stable viewing, and color filters like negative and text highlight to improve visibility. Users can also capture high-quality magnified photos with its in-app camera and utilize the LED flash for better illumination in low-light conditions. So let's install that. Okay, it's quite quick. It's only 99 megs, and there we go. It's ready. All right, let's open it up. Okay, so you've got all these instructions there. Once you zoom in, you can see how incredibly detailed it is, and it's better than just using the phone's camera. For the app, you need to visit the Google Play Store, do a search for the Magnifier and Microscope Cozy by Handstrom. Once you put it on the light, it's even better. Yeah, fantastic. And it's free. The KWS 1802C is a little USB tester that shows you exactly how much voltage and current your device is getting. You just plug it in between your charger and your device, and the display gives you a live readout. It's a handy way to spot bad cables, weak chargers, or devices that aren't drawing the power they should. On its own, it's not a life-changing tool, but once you've got one, you'll find yourself using it all the time. It's small, inexpensive, and really useful for troubleshooting charging issues. So for just £50, you can get started and potentially save that much by fixing your very first project. This is the Nadesta Soldering Essentials Kit, a Swiss Army knife for electronics. You get a 0.8mm solder wire, flux paste, solder wick, solder sucker, tip cleaner, cutters, and 6 removal tools. It's a whole desolder, resolder, clean cut repair cycle in one neat package. This Chardon 122-piece precision screwdriver set is about as complete as it gets. Whether you're repairing phones, laptops, consoles, or small household gadgets, there's a bit for everything. The handle feels solid, the bits are magnetic, and the kit comes neatly organised in a portable case. Sheer range means you rarely get stuck looking for the right size or shape. For anyone who works on electronics, a set like this is a must-have. It saves time, reduces frustration, and gives you the right tool for practically any job involving tiny screws. This helping hand soldering station is like having an extra set of hands when you need them. It comes with adjustable arms and alligator clips that hold your components steady while you're soldering. For jobs where you need precision, like soldering small wires or components, this tool is a lifesaver. It keeps everything stable, reduces mistakes, and saves you a lot of frustration. It's one of those simple tools that makes a huge difference once you start using it. So, at £100, you can get everything you could require, and you'll never need any workarounds to get through a fix. Watch along with me as I use these tools on my projects in the video on screen now.